What's up, everybody? It's your boy Toshi Heavy signing in here with a little unboxing. The good guys, or the good team over at Ellipal, sent me their Titan cold wallet for me to try out, test out, and see if I like. Alright, before we hop into this review, I just wanted to give a quick shout out and thank you to everyone at Ellipal for giving me the opportunity to even do this review by giving me this sweet ass Titan wallet. And I also want to give them give a huge thank you to them as well for giving everyone who is part of Elevate Trading, so my trading team, everyone's part of Elevate Trading, an opportunity to get a discount on one of the most important and useful tools or products that anybody in cryptocurrency, anybody who's investing in cryptocurrency, trading cryptocurrency, could have, and that is a cold wallet. So if you're part of Elevate Trading, you get a discount on this bad boy. And yeah, so thank you everybody at Ellipal. And with that, let's get to the review. It's a pretty sleek box, you know, nice shimmer. It's sturdy. It has a good feel to it, almost like a rubber feel. You know, it makes you feel like something very important is in this. You know, let's open this bad boy. All right, it feels nice. It feels good. It's really sleek, very sleek. Has that little texture to it, and it feels really good. It looks like it's some sort of brushed metal on it. Has a nice little, I think it's a camera, so that's pretty cool. The power button's on the right hand side. Looks like it's charged by just a slap and connect magnetize type thing. So let's power this on. First impression on the glass. Feels pretty good, feels good. Okay, download the Ellipal app. So I'm assuming I have to take a picture with my phone. Okay, let's see what happens. So I did my Google Lens. Okay, while that's downloading, just go ahead and create this account. Okay, so created my account. Select Bitcoin address type. I'm assuming general. Passphrase, I don't think I need one, so I'm gonna go ahead and create this account. Now this is done. As we're waiting for that to load, I create that account. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, cool, little stickers, some cool little stickers. Cool, they even give you this little key card to help you remember all your passphrases. Remember your passphrases you have to like freaking write? That's pretty cool of them. Let's look at the charger. The charger's slick, man. Holds a charge, and you could probably walk around like that freely, so it charges still. I don't know, we'll see. See what it says. Okay, I'm gonna go and remove this from the screen because I don't want you to see this. So I'm gonna go and write this down. Now be mindful of the way that's orientated, because you can get confused. I can see that. All right, cool. So seems like I set it up appropriately. Everything's going good. You have so many coins you could choose from. So many coins. Basically all the major coins you really want, and a lot of alts. I really like that. That fact that you have like Litecoin, Dash, UTC, DGB, XRP, CMT, XLM, BGB, BTX, DOT, TRX, BCD. You know, XT's, I want to be called XTC, but obviously it's not. EOS, you know, BNB, that was a really good one. So before you can send any coins, so you need to connect it through the Ellipal app. Boom. So now you're able to do that transfer thing. Cool. Good job. Good job. I am a fan, Ellipal. Yeah, that was my review on it. That's my opinion on it. All right, it's been your boy. Peace out.